Hello everyone, and welcome to our new video. Today we're diving into a super interesting topic, how to make money using Fiverr and Submagic, an AI-powered subtitle generator. So, if you're looking to boost your freelancing game, stay tuned. First, let's get a quick overview. Fiverr is a freelancing platform where you can offer a vast array of services. And Submagic? It's an AI tool that creates subtitles for videos, super handy in today's video-centric world. Now, why subtitles? Well, they're key for accessibility, and they cater to viewers who watch videos on mute. Plus, subtitles can boost SEO and engagement, so they're pretty essential. Let's talk business. How can you make money using these tools? Here are some ideas. Use Submagic for fast and efficient subtitling services on Fiverr. More speed, more clients. Speak another language? Offer localization services, ensuring subtitles aren't just translated but culturally relevant too. Combine video editing with AI-generated subtitles for a comprehensive package. E-learning is huge right now. Offer your services to course creators looking to make their content more accessible. Provide subtitles optimized with keywords to help videos rank better in search results. To stand out on Fiverr, showcase your Submagic skills, gather great reviews, and start with competitive pricing. Don't forget to market yourself. Use social media, network with potential clients, and maybe even create content about the impact of subtitle. And remember, the AI world is always evolving. Stay updated and adapt your services accordingly. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again.